All right, team, let's keep the flow moving. We have a full shipment of aloe coming to Bay 4.
Copy that. Moving the empties now. Stand by.
Attention all units. The continuous flow of fresh produce is now active in Bay 4. Ensure all pallets are routed to processing immediately.
Keep an eye on the quality of the aloe from this shipment.
Right, let's make sure they all meet the standard.
All systems operating at peak efficiency. Ensure crates are sterilized before transfer.
Inventory scan complete. Processing Bay 3 requires immediate replenishment. Automated transport initiated. Scanning complete. Quality confirmed. Proceed to packaging.
Washed in crystal clear water, these fresh coconuts and aloe vera are ready for the next step. Our state-of-the-art facility ensures every coconut is perfectly clean, using high-pressure jets and gentle scrubbing brushes. The process begins with a high-pressure purified water wash, removing any dust while maintaining the integrity of the aloe.
All units cleared for preparation zone access. Sterilization complete.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures that only the finest coconut products reach your table.
Our state-of-the-art grinders process the fresh coconut meat continuously, ensuring a smooth, rich paste every time. The fresh aloe leaves are gently scraped, releasing the pure, glistening gel directly into sterile containers.
Transport of materials to the formulation department is active.
In our state-of-the-art facility, purified water and natural oils are precisely blended with coconut extract and aloe vera.
Measurement complete. Coconut extract, 100 grams. Aloe vera gel, 50 grams.
We combine the finest coconut extract and aloe vera gel. Then we add purified water.
Here we blend the finest coconut extract and soothing aloe vera gel to create our smoothest mixture yet.
We blend nourishing vitamins and natural fragrances into our signature coconut and aloe vera mixture.
Inside these massive tanks, the powerful agitators create that smooth, uniform motion you expect from our coconut and aloe vera shampoo. Current pH 6.8. Dispensing agent. New pH 5.5.
Here you can see the coconut and aloe vera blend, heading for our advanced filtration system.
Our unique blend of coconut and aloe vera is passed through ultra-fine filters, removing every microscopic impurity.
Attention all personnel. Production line B is exceeding targets by 15%. Maintain safety protocols.
Attention team, please monitor the cooling process on the new coconut and aloe vera bottles on line 4.
Analyzing units 1 through 12. Imperfection detected on unit 8.
Our sterilization chamber uses powerful UV light and purified air to ensure every bottle of coconut and aloe vera shampoo is perfectly clean. Experience the perfect blend of nature and science as our coconut and aloe vera shampoo begins its journey to you.
Experience the perfect blend of nature. Our new coconut and aloe vera formula, bottled with precision for you.
Line 3. Increase speed by 10%. We need those coconut bottles ready for shipping.
Attention all workers. Line 4 is now running the aloe vera batch. Ensure all caps are secured tightly. Testing sequence complete. Leak test passed.
The new coconut and aloe vera bottles are moving through the labeling stage now, perfectly wrapped every time. Production milestone achieved on the shampoo line. All units cleared for quality assurance.
Ensuring perfection with every bottle. Our advanced AI systems guarantee the highest quality.
All units cleared for packaging. System operating at optimal efficiency.
Viscosity is within range for the aloe vera.
And the coconut fragrance profile is strong and consistent.
The pH balance is perfect. This batch of coconut and aloe meets our strict quality standards.
The bottle is engineered to withstand extreme pressure and impact, ensuring the cap security every single time.
Quality control check complete. All units approved for packaging.
Cycle complete, ensuring optimal shine on all units. Prepare for packaging.
Scanning complete. Verified. Diverted. Unit rejected.
Harness the power of nature with our new coconut and aloe vera blend, now moving to packaging.
The synchronization on the aloe vera line is flawless.
Yes, the output has increased by 20% this quarter.
Our automated systems ensure every bottle of coconut and aloe vera shampoo is packed with surgical precision, ready for delivery.
Make sure the adhesive levels are consistent on the aloe vera line.
Roger that. The next batch is ready to go.
All cartons must pass the automated weight check before proceeding to packaging. Ensure scales are calibrated daily.
The robotic wrapper applies a precise layer of protective film, securing the aloe vera and coconut stacks for shipment.
Make sure those aloe vera pallets are secure before the turn. Roger that. Almost clear. Watch your left.
New shipment of coconut and aloe vera arriving on level 7.
Okay, pallet 34B, the aloe vera shipment, needs to be on truck 7 right now.
Copy that, moving it over. Make sure the paperwork is ready.
Now processing final pallets for dispatch. Quality check complete on aloe vera shipment.
Palletizing sequence complete. Quality control check passed for the coconut and aloe vera shipment.
Attention all carriers. Dock Bay 4 is clear for pickup. Repeat, Dock Bay 4 is clear.
The system instantly verifies every bottle, ensuring perfect inventory accuracy before shipment.
All right, the manifest matches the count. This pallet is cleared for shipment. Perfect, applying the tag now. Back it up, keep coming. All right, clear on the left.
Manifest confirms 50 cases of aloe. Over.
Roger that. Bay 3 is clear.
Make sure the aloe vera pallets are secured before the next batch arrives. We need to expedite Dock 7.
Check the route here. We need to expedite this one.
Verified against the manifest, it matches the priority status.
Good, let's get it loaded.
Control, this is Truck 1. Gates are opening. We are proceeding to the highway.
Copy that, Truck 1. Watch your merge. Delivering the best of nature, our fleet ensures quality products reach you across the nation.
From the heart of the tropics to your home, we deliver the freshness of coconut and aloe vera across the nation. make sure the aloe vera shipment for aisle 4 is wrapped tight.
Already on it.
Day and night, our fleet ensures that the goodness of coconut and aloe vera reaches every destination across the nation.
Discover the moisturizing power of coconut and aloe vera, now back in stock.
Precision engineered, every bottle a testament to our commitment to quality. From the purity of coconut and aloe vera, millions of bottles are now ready for the world.